you're very close to the president before, you know. You
Was,
still are.
was I? Was I?
Kasi I've had a chance also to break bread with him before pa, no? In fact, I was one of those also egging him to run, no? Na ano. And you know, fortunate
Ikaw pala
enough
may
naman-
kasalanan ng lahat ng ito eh.
Hindi kasi
Kung hindi mo binuyo, Jojo, wala tayo ngayon sa ganitong katayuan. Thank you, mga kababayan. We have to thank this guy for admitting on national TV na binuyo niya.
kasi ganito. I know him to be, you know, he's a good guy. He's a very pleasant, charismatic person, and he did well as governor. He had a vision when we were talking about it, but and you won't be there naman to help him out, be the president, to help him become the president at one point, and which you did actually. You're very instrumental in kingmaker ka di ba? So ano he's a good guy, di ba? I mean,
Lahat naman ng tao may kabutihan eh.
Mm.
Lahat ng tao may kabutihan. And just to be fair and
yeah,
objective,
but
lahat
what-
ng tao may kabutihan.
What happened? What happened? What did he lack or what did he
Kaibigan
have?
mo naman siya kamo, di-interviewin mo, tanong mo sa kanya ano nangyari sa kanya. Tanongin mo yan. Hindi ko siya masasagot. Hindi ko
Ganun
masasagot.
ba?
Hindi ko masasagot.
Pero you believe that one of these days, like, you know, what if, hypothetically, no, or was just thinking out loud lang na he calls, kasi I know you both, and I know you also personally to be a man of, more than anything else, ang kinakampihan mo ay ang Pilipinas.
Always,
No? Okay?
always,
So there are no
always.
sides to,
Always.
walang political color, no nothing. But if he were to tell you, sabi niya, oh, Vic, pare, you know, I know you to be, you have so much you can still offer the country. What do we need to do? I have 2 years, pare. Would you do it, and what would you do? Sabihin siya ni Presidente.
Malabo yan. Malabo yan.
Malabo na talaga.
Malabo yan. Alam mo, ang taong dapat mong tulungan ay yung talagang gustong magpatulong. At kinakailangan, mauwi tayo lagi doon sa sinseridad. Walang sinseridad Walang sinseridad. Tung lahat ng nangyayaring ito, walang sinseridad.
So it's all for for
Propaganda.
show, propaganda.
Matatapos na term niya Wala naman silang naipakitang proyekto Ano proyekto nila? Yung subway, hindi naman kanya yan. Hindi na nga matatapos siya sa kanyang termino Dapat yan is 1 or 2 segment, dapat tatakbo yan during his term, during his administration. Wala na, delayed na. Bakit? Pinagkukuha nila yung pondo Nung budget noong 2025, tinanggalan nila ng budget Inilipat. Kasi nga, it's an election year, binusog niya yung mga buwaya na katropa niya sa Kongreso, maging sa mababang kapulungan o sa Senado. And here we are today. O naghihirap tayo. And Joe at mga kababayan, maraming Pilipino, lalo na ngayon, we are just one hospital bill away from poverty. Yan ang kalunos-lunos na kalagayan ng mga Pilipino. We are just one hospital bill away from poverty. At araw-araw nadadagdagan yung ranggo, yung bilang ng mga napapabilang dyan sa poverty line.